Hello lovely people, welcome to my channel. So I'll be teaching you guys on how to register on this app. So you click on the link in the description below. It will bring you to this interface. From there you tap on start earning. When you tap on start earning, don't forget to copy this invitation code, then it will take you to Play Store. So when you're done installing it, it will show like this. You tap on opened. When you tap on open, it will bring you to this interface. You tap on Google login. So you choose the Google account you want to use for this. So you tap on agree and share. When you tap on agree and share, don't forget to input. You see your country. Choose your own country where you're from. You choose your own country. I am from Nigeria. I'll choose my own country, Nigeria. And they'll ask for inviter ID. So this inviter ID, you will tap on, you will put in my invite code. So that's my invite code, and you put in your gender. Make sure your gender is correct. If you are a female, put female. If you are a male, put male. I am a female, I'll put female, and I'll write join. I'll tap on this to join. So when I tap on it to join, I will see something like this. So they'll say, congrats, you have got game pass ×1 new user benefits. You tap on this slot. So this new user benefit, make sure you tap on this slot. Tap on it, don't ignore it, tap on it, because they will be giving you 50,000 diamond. So it will bring you to a game like this, which is called Ocean Hunt. You will allow the Ocean Hunt to load. When it loads, so I will now tell you step by step on how to do it. When it loads, on how to get the 50,000 diamond. This is so you have done. So come. So this is the game. This is the message. Let's check our message. Let's claim new user reward. So we have claimed a new user reward. Let's go to our mail. You can see here the diamond. So you tap on the diamond. When you tap on the diamond, you are going to see that 50,000 diamond I'm talking about is there. So do good to make sure you tap on that slot. So, and if you want to join your agency, you tap on agency there, and you tap on I want to become a host, join agency. When you tap on I want to become a host, you input the agency ID. I will send the agency ID for you people to input it. When you input it, you have finally joined your agency. So that is it on how to register, and I'm going to be giving you guys making another video on how to earn on the app, complete your tasks, and do your face verification. Your face verification, you tap on verification and you tap on verify now. So, and your ID, look under your name, you will see that ID in the number there. You will copy it and send it to me. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel.